Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to discuss about monetization criteria for YouTube channel, like how you can achieve this criteria and actually what's the criteria and how you can achieve it. So there are some criteria about YouTube monetization. So first of all, let me show you. Actually my account is already monetized, but you need 1000 subscriber, okay, and 4000 watch hour on long videos if you want your channel to get monetized, okay. And there are lots of other methods as well through which you can earn money and monetize your channel, but these are the basic one, like 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch time hours. So in this way you can upload your long videos as well, and your videos will be monetized, okay, and ads will be displayed on your video. And you can see that this is my monetization tab. My account is actually already monetized, so that's why it's displaying this page, okay. But if you want to know how you can achieve the criteria and what's the criteria, so let me show you YouTube monetization criteria. So in order to achieve the monetization criteria, okay, you can upload continuously videos, okay. So the people watch your video. When you have a good fan base, you have good views, you have good subscriber count, then your account will be eligible for monetization. For right now there are two tiers, like a lower tier for fan funding with 500 subscribers, 3000 watch hours, okay. So this way you will be paid, okay, and you must have 3 public videos in the last 90 days. And there's another tier for ad revenue, which is 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hours. Or you can, if you don't have 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour, then you must need to have 10 million views on your short videos, or you can say on your real video. So in this way you will get eligible for monetization and you can apply for the monetization, okay. So that's all, that was all about how you what's the criteria of YouTube monetization and how you can achieve it. Thanks for watching.